good morning. I'm glad you could join me on this little hiking adventure I'm going on today. I'm heading off towards, it's about it's exactly 7 o'clock, and I'm heading off towards the Manistee River Trail. It's a trail I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I'm really excited about it. I've managed to get some time off and been preparing for a week or so to come up here, getting all my gear together. Actually, I'm trying a new tent today. It's the Nature Hike Spire. It's a pyramid style tent that I'm going to be setting up tonight, and so I'll give you a tour of that and the modifications I've made to it. That particular tent has had a little bit of bad press, but I think it's because the inner tent, like a lot of these trekking pole tents, the inner tent can sometimes be a little floppy and droop down. The mosquito netting can droop down on you, the bug netting. So yeah, so I've made some modifications to that, and I think it's a lot better. So I'm hoping that's gonna work great. But I'll show you around that tonight when I set it up. So on this hike, we'll be going on the northbound North Country Trail from the Red Bridge campground access. I'll be hiking north on the North Country Trail, and then for about 10 or 11 miles, and then camping overnight at the Seaton Creek campground, and which is you have to pay for, but it's a state campground. You know, it's got the normal rustic stuff. It's got pump well water, and it's got some pit toilets and stuff like that. So that's going to be good. First night. Second night, I'm going to be wild camping by the river, maybe doing a bit of fishing. I did bring my my telescoping rod with me, my new one after I broke the last one, and so hopefully I don't have the same thing on this one. And I'm hoping I'm going to have a campfire tonight, but I don't know. We'll see how the wood situation pans out, and how tired I feel when I get to the campground. I could be pretty tired. So the North Country Trail section is a little hilly. It's got some elevation changes, but once you get up on the ridge, it's not too bad. So I'm going to attempt that with fresh legs, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be fine when I get in. I have been doing some hikes leading up to this. I did a 7.5 miler the other week, and last weekend my wife and we did a 5 miler. So not camping, but just trekking. So anyway, hopefully it's going to be a great trip. The weather's supposed to be great. It's supposed to be in the 80s during the day, maybe a little too warm actually for camping, but for hiking. But anyway, I'm gonna love it. And we may even get there's a chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow night. So that would be fun if that happens. That'll give the tent a real test. So hopefully it passes with flying colours. But anyway, so the plan is it's a Thursday today. It's about 7 o'clock. Thursday night camping as I said, at the campground. Friday wild camping, and hike out back to the car Saturday morning. I leave myself like a 5 mile hike back to the car. So it should be a great trip. As I said, really excited about it. So I'm glad you guys could join me, and I'll see you soon at the trailhead. So here we are at the Red Bridge access. I'm about to take off. It is a glorious day, as you can see. Just over here, that's the bridge right there, and just over here is the Manistee River. You can see it. That river is full of trout. Hopefully I'll be able to fish for some later on, although they're probably after the mayflies this time of year, but we'll see what's going on. So here's the board, you know, campsite and all this garbage, and then Here's the map here, and I'm right here. So I've got to go up the road a little bit and join into the Manistee River Trail, the North Country Trail actually. The Manistee River Trail, North Country Trail, and then I get on the North Country Trail and go all the way up here, over to here, and that's about 11 miles. So it's actually here too. So you can see over here, there's one of the campsites, and that post there is for hanging your food on. Stop critters getting at it and coming in the tent, so I believe anyway. So so there you go. So that's one of the campsites there, campsite 13. Nobody here camping. There's a couple of there's a couple of trailers. There's one trailer there for a boat that's left from here. So anyway, there you have it. So I'm on my way now. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Sun's a bit high, but I'm going to get going, and I'll see you next time on a point of interest somewhere. Okay, bye. So 3/4 of a mile in, we get our first sign for the North Country Trail. It's couldn't have been a little windy pathway up to this point. A little buggy, of course, you know, midsummer in the woods, what wouldn't it be? But you know, you bring along the bug spray, it keeps them down, and as long as you keep moving. So coming up here then, looking through my first blue marker. That's pretty well trodden, so you can't really lose it. A lot of people come down here, so and this northbound North Country route is, oh, I'm still on white flashes, so we're still on the Manistee River Trail. So, but I'm sure blue ones will start just up here. Great looking get these down poles on a minute. Great looking mushroom just growing up on that tree. Look at that. Don't know what type it is, but pretty cool. Anyway, I'll carry on. When I start hitting the blue ones, I'll let you know. You know, I'm expecting a bit of a climb for the first half an hour, and then up to up to mile 2, and then it should flatten out from there and we'll be on top of the ridge. So anyway, okay, catch you later. Just under 2/10 of a mile, and it's about 1.15, 16, and it starts to level out a bit. So it's a bit of a butt kicker though. So yeah, it's not terrible, but gets you out of breath, that's all. So it's a good out of breath. 2 miles in, I'm just there. My next water source is there, 7.5 miles, so not quite 1/3 of the way in, but had to just stop and apply some more bug spray. The bugs were just getting crazy. So yeah, so pretty buggy time of year, obviously. Trail still well marked. This is just, you know, it's pretty normal Michigan trail, woodland trail, gentle up and down. I mean, after the butt kicker at 1 mile to 1.6, this has all been pretty straightforward, just what you expect really from ridge walking in about Michigan. 4.5 miles in, 4 miles in. I just found something interesting actually. The two maps don't coincide. This is the actual Manistee. They've got the Manistee River Trail, that one there, the proper map, and it doesn't coincide, because where you can see Sheep Ranch Road is really Sweets Ravine, and if we look here, there's Sweets Ravine and there's Sheep Ranch Road. So yeah, map's wrong. Great. So the little map's wrong anyway. So yeah, but we're getting there. Doing map mile every 24 minutes, so that's pretty good. So that's going to put us in a good place in the campsite. Just chugging some water. right after Sweet Ravine Road. Yes, it does go right back uphill, so there's probably going to be another butt kicker coming up. So about 5 miles. So anyway, there you go. I'll let you know what that's like. So okay, signing off. It's not as much as a butt kicker as the 1 mile one, but it does stretch on longer. So I've just got to the top of it now, so there's a little tiny bit more to go, but the bulk of it's done, I think. So it just stretches forever. So all that elevation that you had before that you lost going downhill, you just got it back again. So all good, you know. Section here is on the top of the hill, so it was I don't know if I mentioned, it was about 0.4 miles up that mini butt kicker. So it wasn't as steep, but it was just long. So we're on top of the ridge again now. So you can see it's just gorgeous dappled sunlight. Very typical Michigan forest walking. You don't see a lot out there. There's been no views so far. It's all blocked in by the canopy, of course. So, yeah, fantastic. Very hot though today. So I'm working my way to the water sources. I should be there in like another 2 miles, and then I can guzzle some down and camel up for the remaining 3 miles out. So, or 2 or 3 miles to the campground. I think I'm about a mile from the water source. I think I got the mileage is a little bit wrong, but I'm just going to check on the map in a second and see where I am. But yeah, as soon as I get to the road, I think that leaves me with about 3/4 of a mile to the stream, and then I'm able to get some more water and guzzle a bit more down me and carry on to into the campsite. So here it is, Edgington Creek, little stream just right here. I'm going to go and get some water from down there. It's kind of tricky because you can see the bridge from the top of the path, but you have to double back on yourself back down there. So which So we're back on the Manistee River Trail again. Turn was back there. Sorry, I missed it. I should have took a video of that. But it kind of doubled back from the NCT. It was I nearly missed it actually, but I knew it was about that mark. So I kind of looked around and the path went downhill, and there it was, big old sign. So anyway, heading off towards the from the Manistee River Trail intersection with the NCT. It's 2.5 miles, so I'm counting down that to the Seaton Creek campground. So we're just moving on. So another beautiful day. This is one of the roads, crossing the roads. Finally, we have a view. There's people canoeing. There's a guy fly fishing farther down the river. Just about make him out. 2 people canoeing there. So gorgeous.
Can't wait to go down there and try. Here we go, crossing the famous Manistee River suspension bridge. Old-fashioned. One. Nice fish, sir.
What, me?
Nice fish.
Oh yeah, he's a keeper.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hmm?
He's a absolutely keeper.
Yeah, a keeper. Well, I guess not. Well, see, I was trying to show off my stuff, you know?
Well, yeah. It's okay.
How are you doing, guys?
I'm a little tired. I've just walked all the way from the other end, so.
Tippy Dam we started?
Not Tippy Dam, down at Red Bridge.
Red Bridge?
Yeah.
So you did it one day?
Yeah, I'm just walked up now. I'm going off to the Seaton Creek campsite. So.
Oh, alrighty.
Yeah, what are you catching them on? Worms?
Yeah.
Yeah, thought so.
I'm not a fly fisherman and I don't really see much bait. So that's it. Where are you from?
England originally.
I'm sorry, I have poor hearing.
England.
England?
Originally, yeah.
Well, my gosh, John, you made quite a little walk.
Oh, there you go. They're all holding in there. Anyway, I'll leave you to it, sir. Good luck.
Hey, you do it and be safe.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, all right?
I am. Whoa, suspension bridge rocking. Windy, rocky. Well, that's it. Suspension bridge over. And it was fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it.